Sit back, tighten those abs up. Lift, lift. Come on, touch that floor. Come on, come on, come on. Really breathe. Come on, baby. We have 5 seconds. I want you to take your hands and put it just like this. And I want you to take your right leg. You're gonna lift the right leg up, let your left elbow touch the knee. You're gonna do this for 10 seconds. Go. Just touch and touch. I want you to rotate and tighten those abs up. We have 5 seconds. We're gonna go to the opposite side in 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Do it again. Go. Come on. Keep those abs tight. Give me that rotation. There we go, baby. How we feeling?
Feeling good.
Oh, that's what I'm liking. 3 seconds. 2 and 1. Now keep your hands there, and you're gonna lift the leg up just like this. Come on. Sit back. Tighten those abs up. Lift, lift. Come on. Touch that floor. Come on. Come on. Come on. Really breathe. Come on, baby. We have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Stay there. Let the hands drop down. We're going to go to seated jacks. I want you to come just like this. Do this 10 seconds. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm watching you. Faster, 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 faster. Keep that chin up. Tighten those abs. We have 5, 4. I like your smile. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now, we're at work, so I want you to think about somebody you want to knock out without knocking them out. You're going to take that attention and put that person in front of you, and I want you to punch like this. Go. Fast, 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 fast. Faster. I can tell that you never had a fight in your entire life. Fight, 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 fight. Go, 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 go. Push. 3, 2, and 1. That's what I'm talking about. Touch me.
That was great.
Touch me. Pop.